Every operator needs training, but traditional training doesn't work for every operator. One-size-fits-all approaches are so hit and miss, you're gambling with your biomanufacturing success. Our operator training program is different. We understand that there are all kinds of learners. Take Audio Annie, for instance. She likes to listen to lectures and talk through problems, often in great detail. Bookish Benny loves to read everything, from articles to standard operating procedures. All-Seeing Sam prefers visual aids, whether they're simple diagrams or step-by-step videos. While Hands-On Hannah is an action hero who likes to get stuck in and learn by doing. Chances are that your operators are made up of some mix of these learning types. So how do you train them all when they have such different needs? Too much study and Audio Annie and Hands-On Hannah will get bored. Not enough, and Bookish Benny and All-Seeing Sam won't be able to follow. Either way, the result is the same. You get operators that don't quite know what they're doing. This can blow up in your face. Simple mistakes can cause expensive deviations. Lost, delayed, and rescheduled batches drive up the cost of manufacturing processes, while they lower team morale and retention rates. Our operator training program takes a blended learning approach, meaning it combines a variety of ways to study. This starts with content that operators can read and watch at their own pace. Next, they can learn how to use machinery in virtual reality. These experiences aren't just more exciting, they're more sustainable, reducing the amount of processing materials wasted during training. Finally, once they're ready for the real thing, operators can work with an in-person instructor. As a leader in the life sciences industry, we have the knowledge to help upskill your operators. Whether you want to give them a broad overview of processes, train them in particular technologies and applications, or provide step-by-step instructions on how to use specific equipment, they can keep track of their own progress online, and you can monitor your whole team. It doesn't matter if your organization is big or small. We offer a scalable service that can meet your needs. Blended learning has been proven to be faster than traditional learning, while VR training in particular boosts operators' confidence in their skills. Play to your operators' individual strengths to make them a more effective team, so they can work together to deviate away from deviations and power up your processes. Find out what the Cytiva Operator Training Program can do for your team today.